Hi, this is a review of the order trading system activity for June 30th, 2021. We had 4 trades on that day. 1 was a buy, 3 were short sells. First trade was FIS. That's Fidelity National Information Services Incorporated. It tripped at 12:05:15 p.m. at a price of 141.78. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 141.67, down 0.18%. That's a positive. And we will check the indicators. OBV looks like it's moving down on a regular basis. MACD looks like it's staying downwards. Multiple times it's come down average-wise. DI, it's almost half-half. And you see the end of the day is actually making a positive recovery. Bollinger Band showing a steady decline and that positive recovery at the end of the day. So technically that stock was moving down, but you could see closing was reverting positive for that stock. Next trade is HL. That's Hecla Mining Company. That tripped at 12:26:12 p.m. The price is 7.54. It was a buy. It closed the day at 7.44, up 1.64%. But it closed below its tripping, so we'll see if there's a point or a period of time during the day that it was positive. 12:36, so close around here. 7.54. 7.54. Yeah, it didn't come up above, so that was a holding area for that particular stock. So check to see if that potentially is a positive. OBV looks okay. MACD not too bad. It did jump up here and averages came down during the afternoon period. You can see a bit of recovery at the end of the day. Closing though was coming down. DI positive for a good portion of the day, strongly positive, and then coming down at the end of the day. And Bollinger Band, oh, this is the one that I don't like to see because it showed that it came up, but basically moved sideways, and then at the end of the day we're dropping. I don't feel actually indicators are showing that it's moving strongly enough positive that it would be potentially positive the day after. Bollinger Band definitely was not moving in a positive direction except for when it tripped. DI, again, a good portion of the day it was actually moving negative. MACD, it did come up. MACD was fine. It looked like it was positive on a good portion of time. And OBV volume looked to be positive, but there's just not enough that makes me feel comfortable to say that it's positive. So that's I'm going to mark as a non-potential stock. Next trade is AVXL. That's NVAX Life Sciences Corporation. Tripped at 1:51:07 p.m. at a price of 23.08. It was a short sell. Closed the day at 22.86, down 3.26%, making a bit of a recovery, up 0.61% this morning, so that's positive. So let's just check. OBV, not strongly. It was down a little bit, but you can see in the afternoon it actually jumped up and then came down a bit. MACD down. It was moving downwards at the end of the day, which is good. Tripping period, it was moving down, and DI down. Well, that stock was moving down. Next trade is NVAX. That's Novavax Incorporated. Tripped at 2:15:21 p.m. at a price of 210. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 212.31, up 1.61%, and it's actually up 2.52% early morning. So the stock looked to be moving positive. Yeah, see right around here where it came down 209. 236, 236, 215. We have about a 15-minute period here after it tripped where it was down below its tripping price on a regular basis, or at least on a good amount of time. I'm going to consider that positive, but you can see though right after that period it actually jumped up. Basically recovered, but it stayed stable. So the stock itself didn't look that bad, at least in the posits. OBV actually showing somewhat of a steady decline. MACD, it came down, but you can see it recovered in the afternoon. It was dropping at the end of the day though. DI was negative a good portion of the day, but again that afternoon period where it came up, then you could see it looked like positive was coming down, but DI was stable, moving sideways. That Bollinger Band showing the same thing, moving sideways. So that stock, even though it did recover, it still looked like it was moving negative. So that technically is 3 out of 4 stocks, which is obviously 75%. And 75% also far possible because the other stock didn't move above its tripping price. I'll leave it at that. Fairly decent day. Bye.